Good morning, friends. Today I've brought up a company review for Renaissance Global Limited. Yesterday, the company has got an order of 13.7 crores from US Walmart brand from the USA. It's for 63,250 pieces of cut diamonds of various types and shapes. So we'll go through a bit of the details of the company. The price, company is currently trading at 152 rupees. The possible drop in the price may be somewhat related to the order that the company's got. Of late, in the last 1 or 2 months, the company stock has rallied quite to a large extent, which is the reason why there has been a correction in the price of the stock. This is for 1 month, drop in 15 per 16%. So if you can see, mostly during the month of December, the stock, November, December, the stock did very well. It had a good rally, 69, 70% value addition in the last 6 months. Then overall year to date is about 13% on the downward side. So you can see that the stock went up by almost 70%, 80% in the year, and then it's come back down to its normal uh, price range that was at the start of last year, or maybe even lower than the start of last year. So overall, it was listed in 2007, and since then, for about a period of 10 years, the price remained in the range of 34 to 40 rupees, 42 rupees. The price of the stock has rallied up sometime in 2017, 2018, and since then it touched a high of 207. Then it corrected to about 85 again sometime in 2023. From 85 again, it's gone up, rallied to 200 odd something, and then it's come down again to about 155, or currently is showing 151. So moving on, this is maybe one of the logos of the company, or one of the news items available on the net for this company of recent. You can see the different types of jewelry that the company does. Apart from gemstones, cut diamonds, it also deals in gold jewelry. So I'll share a few pictures of what I've got through the website and the internet. So the links are all leading to the company's website. You can check the different varieties of diamonds and jewelry the company has on offer. You can see another make and model, another one, another one. You can see the various different designs. So again, these are offered for Disney, that is in the US. Okay, so incorporated in 1989, manufacturer of diamond-studded jewelry and trader of cut and polished diamonds. Uh, RGL designs, manufactures, and supplies branded jewelry for USA, Canada, UK, and key Asian markets. Company operates through B2C, B2B, and D2C models. It has launched the online stores through 7 D2C websites to market and supply licensed brand and owned brands. You can see branded jewelry, custom brands, plain gold jewelry segments. It offers customized options in lab-grown diamonds. Engaged in wholesale manufacturing of jewelry in gold, silver, platinum, studded with polished diamonds, semi-precious and precious stones. Brands licensing agreements with global brands such as Disney, Hallmark, Netflix, NFL, Star Wars, Warner Brothers, and DC. its own owner segment. It has a portfolio of brands such as Irsawa and Jewelry, specialty jewelry stores, big department stores, D2C websites owned and managed by the company, e-commerce platforms like Amazon, clients Fred Meyer, Haysburg Diamonds, Joya Lucas, Malabar, Signet Jewelers, departmental store chains like J.C. Penney, Macy's, Walmart, supplies to catalog e-commerce and television retailers like Amazon, Argos, Jewelry Television, maintained relationship with 50 plus customers across UK, US and Middle East. Then this is market cap 1,461 crores, current price 152, high of 207, stock PE of 20, book value 124, return on capital employed 8.25. The company is not paying out any dividends. Promoter holding it shows 0.67% in the last quarter, about overall about 12% in the last 2 years. Company has delivered a poor sales growth. Tax rate is low. Company has low return on equity for the last 3 years. You can see the other companies, peers in the market. Titan 90, Kalyan Jewelers 79, PC Jeweler 20. That is the only company that is on par with Renaissance Global as far as price to earnings are concerned. Senco 33, PN Gadkri 46, Rajesh Exports 135. So you can see, I think from a comparison point of view, Kalyan and Titan uh, and Thanga Mahal Jewelers are uh, on the expensive side. Senco Gold also to a certain extent is on the expensive side. However, companies worth considering since they have a good return as well on the capital employed. You could look at PN Gadgil 30%, Kalyan 14, Titan 22, Thangamayal Jewelers 20, so average is 16. Renaissance is with 8%. PC Jeweler, though the price is pretty low, the return on capital employed is in the negative. So the price that the company is available for is low because the company is not able to give return on the capital employed. So possibly it needs to rework its model, reduce stock, and we would need to do a further review on that company. Moving on, sales are erratic. December quarter most most times is a good quarter for the company, mostly to do with seasonal sales. You can see sales are 655. March the sales uh, drop. June, September, more or less on the downward trend. Look at the previous year. You can see December 724, March down to 500, June down to 473, September down to 442. So, the sales keep dropping due to a seasonal item or seasonal business. Here you see December 2021 highest sale of 774 crores. Then March down again, June 573, September is the poorest quarter, possibly due to the rainy season and the off season. Then you see mm, this is the last 3 years trend. I mean, the sales have been more or less consistent. There is no growth. Expenses, I mean, op- pretty high operating profit margin of 8%. Overall profit is inconsistent. It has dropped or is on the dropping trend. Then you can see here compound sales growth -4, compounded profit growth 19% in the last 3 years. It could have been better, but the prices dropped down again. The result for this is expected on the 13th, and I think because it was a December quarter, the sales would have been higher, so there is a likelihood of the share price going up. It would depend again on the targeted sales for the quarter. If the sales figures haven't met the industry expectation, then there would be a further correction in the stock. Something to keep track of. The company is currently planning to uh, do away from its plain gold business, as it is involving a high value and not able to give sufficient returns for the inventory that the company needs to hold. See, the borrowing is 700 crores. Some part of the capital that they withdraw from the plain gold jewelry business would help them in uh, meeting the overseas orders from the US clients, so in enabling no more profitability for the business. You can see here debtor days has increased to 84, inventory days has gone up to 243, days payable is 46. So the company is improving the way it pays its suppliers. It has made some improvement, though it's far away from the standard 26 days that it held about 4 5 years ago. Cash conversion cycle to 80 days. Again, this has increased. Working capital days have also increased from an average of 140 to about 200 days in the last 7 years. So this is a concern. Return on capital employed has been fluctuating. So again, something that the company would need to look at. Promoter holding 12% drop in the last 2 years. Public investment holdings have increased to 40% during the same time. So this is some part of it. The write-up mostly contains all the information that we've already discussed during the video. The last point is something that you already have been made aware of. Promoter holding, sales. So some things that you can look into and read through if you missed anything during the video. These are the names of the clients that the company is holding. So other information we've already gone through, some revenue breakup. So this is the point that I consider the exit option from the gold business would free up capital and improve the balance sheet, as well as it will also improve the profitability, since interest amount on the borrowings would reduce. So thank you for watching, friends. Please comment and let me know how do you like this video. If there are any suggestions or changes that you'd like me to make, I would be happy to do so. Also, please share this with your friends, family and associates, so that they could also gain some insights into this information. So thank you. Have a great week ahead. Take care. We'll catch up soon again.